Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to start working on this project that I mentioned about yesterday called Explain to Me Like I'm, I'm going to have to eventually change that name. But anyway, if you haven't checked out that original video, I would give that a quick glance. But the idea is basically that a person asks a question or gives a topic, and then we'll use AI to simplify the topic so that a 5-year-old can understand. We give them a quick test, and if the person gets it right, we increase the age. If they get it wrong, then they know where they are lacking in understanding something, and maybe we can give them more context and more information so that they can understand that piece of information, that topic, or that question. So in today's video, we're going to build out a simple backend API for this, maybe one endpoint, I think. That's it. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be using Replit. I've used their FastAPI template here. So here's the FastAPI backend. I've already downloaded some dependencies and included my OpenAI API keys in the environment. For querying OpenAI, we're going to be using Mirascope. Mirascope has this neat integration here that allows you to basically use their Pydantic prompting capabilities and calling on this extract method. From first glance, I'm not a fast API guru or an expert in any way, but from first glance, it seems here that we have this prompt template, which is basically used to query the OpenAI. It's accepting the genre attribute here, and then extract schema is probably what's used when you use this extract method. And here we're giving it the type book. And so the response here, I assume, is going to be a book object with the title and author. So it's recommending a book, right? So let's copy this and let's use this for our use case here. Cool. Cool. So let's see. So instead of calling this book recommender, let's just call it explain topic. Okay, and let's fix these types while we can. Let's do explain topic answer. So this is going to return back an answer. Okay, extract schema. And the inputs that we want is going to be topic, and let's say age. Okay, and instead of calling it book recommender, let's call explain topic. Explains a topic based on the person's age. Cool. And I think the last thing, or one of the last things, is that the response we're getting back is explain topic answers. And so what we just want is probably just answer. And yeah, let's just do answer for now, and questions we could do another time. So let's see. Oh, and then we don't want to set the OpenAI API key there because we have that already. We have that already in their secrets. Save. Cool. All right, let's hit run and let's see what we got. Cool. So I was having some issue with the web view here on Replit, but let's just grab the temporary URL that they give you, and let's query it here. Oh, no, sorry, what am I doing? We're gonna hit, where is it? New, and this is going to be a post endpoint that's going to take in two parameters, topic and age. Post endpoint body. Let's do a JSON object. Let's see what happens if we just do post. Cool. So it's saying that the body is basically null, so nothing's there. If we do an empty dictionary, let's see what happens. It should tell us exactly. Nice. So it says that basically in the body we're missing topic, and in the body we're missing age. So let's put topic, and then let's do age. Cool. Let's say the topic is algebra, and let's say the age is 5 for now. And maybe we put a default in our backend because we want to have some default age that every question gets if none is given. Oh, so we have an internal server error. Let's see what happened. Temp call object has no attribute genre. Oh, I didn't update the prompt. So let's say explain topic like I'm years old. Yeah. Actually, let's add a little bit more to the prompt so we can make it better. Let's say put that for now. Explain topic like I am years old. Okay. Nice. So I updated the prompt template there, and I've been hitting Command Save, so that's why this has been refreshing every time. Let's come over here now. Let's actually try it. So algebra, like I'm 5. Nice. So it says that algebra is like a fun puzzle where we use letters to represent numbers. We can move the letters around and do different things to find out how much they're worth. It's like a magic trick with numbers. Nice. So I think that's all I'm going to do for today. What we could probably do later is generate questions from this, and then from those questions, the user will be able to answer them, maybe multiple choice, and maybe what we could do is as users get older, instead of them having multiple choice questions that they would select the answer, they would actually have to type in an answer, like a text answer, right? Instead of like a short form answer. You guys probably remember that growing up. You always wanted the multiple choice questions because it was always easier to like potentially get. You had a 25% chance of getting it right, while the short form questions were always longer or always harder. Anyway, maybe we can add that later on. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Showed you guys how I did this with Replit, how I'm using Mirascope with their FastAPI integration, and that was pretty fast, to be honest. Gonna continue using this stack for other projects too. But yeah, that's it for now.